HCC is a leading manufacturer of PCB and PCBA. HCC is specialized in offering one-stop service, which includes PCB production, component sourcing, and SMT processing. Located in the new high-tech park and is highly praised by Shenzhen High-Tech Item Program. HCC owns sophisticated equipment and professional hardware and software engineers with a continuous innovation and development for many years. Our aim is to help customers solve all product programs.
I want to thank HCC for supporting me for many years for all of my PCB and PCBA orders. Thank you for providing such good service. I want to send a big thank you especially to the strong customer support team and to the brilliant engineering department, which catches any small mistakes that I make before they go to production. So keep doing a good job, and I hope we will keep doing business for many more years. So I've been very happy. Thank you.
IMC has been providing electronic components for the medical and pharmaceutical industries since 2001. 15 years goes by very quickly, but what does not go by very quickly is to find the right parts supplier. Finding the right parts supplier takes time and effort. HCC has been providing us printed circuit boards for the last 8 years. Delivery is accurate and reliable. PCB quality is excellent. The HCC components quality, reliability, and service from the HCC team keeps us coming back order after order. So contact HCC today and you will be happy you did.